In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Steelseries Arctis 7 to Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up and use any Arctis 7 model that you have on your Xbox console. You will be able to do this for old gen Xbox One or newer gen Xbox Series S or X consoles. So, in order to set it up, you need to see which model of Arctis 7 that you have. If you have the Arctis 7X, which is designed and licensed officially for Xbox consoles, then you will be able to connect it completely wirelessly. However, if you have the old standard Arctis 7 headset, then you will have to do a wired connection. So make sure that you are aware of which model you have, and once you are aware, you will be able to connect it in one of two ways. If you have the Arctis 7X, which is designed for Xbox, you will be able to plug in the USB-C wireless dongle. So when you unbox the headset, you will find the USB-C wireless dongle, and you can use the mode switch toggle on the dongle itself. Make sure that you set it to Xbox. Once this is done, you can plug it in to your Xbox console. So if needed, use the provided USB-C to USB-A adapter cable, and you will be able to plug in the dongle. Once the dongle is properly connected into your Xbox console, you will be able to power on the Arctis 7, and it should automatically pair itself up with the dongle. You can go over to the settings on your console and change the output and input device, but for the most part, it should be plug and play. You will be able to listen to all of the audio being output on the console on the headset. Alternatively, if you have the old model like I mentioned, you will have to do a wired connection. So using the provided cable on the package, you will be able to plug one end of the cable into the headset and another one going into any available 3.5mm audio port on your Xbox, usually on your controller. And once this is done, you will also be able to use the headset just like you would with the wireless Arctis 7X. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Steelseries Arctis 7 to Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.